This 2025 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is a Class A RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2025 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.